Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Usual English conversation. In our channel, there are lots of tips and tricks, are there to learn English speaking. Want to speak English naturally? Keep watching our videos continuously. Watch full video, don't skip the video.
Watch conversation questioning and answering about indoor game.
Hi. Hello. What indoor game do you like to play? I'm fond of playing bowling. When did you start playing it? I've just started bowling. It's been 3 weeks so far. Who do you play it with? Most of the time I play with my friends, when we hang out together. Sometimes, I also go bowling with my cousins. Where do you play? At a nearby shopping mall. There is an entertainment area where people can play various games. Is it easy to play? Yes, quite easy. The bowler has to knock down as many pins as possible, ideally all of them. Are you usually the winner? Nope, because I'm just a beginner. My friends are much more experienced in playing it. Why do you like it? Well, going bowling is quite enjoyable. I love it when my friends cheer me up. Is it popular in your country? Yes, people playing almost everywhere. There are nearly 3,000 bowling centers in my country. What are other indoor games in your country? There are many, such as board game, table tennis, squash, boxing and so on.
The conversation is over.
Hello, friends. Now you know all about how to questioning and answering about indoor game. Keep watching our videos continuously. Our next video is given below in our description. Keep watching to succeed. Please like and share if you enjoyed. If you want more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting notification immediately from our channel. Thank you for watching.